These are the amazing new headphones from OneOdio, and this one's called the OneOdio Studio Pro 10 DJ headphones. And they're super low cost, but how good are they? Let's find out. Also, I'm giving away 2 of these amazing headphones to 2 of my lucky subscribers. So watch this video till the end to know how you can win these amazing headphones. Let's go. What's good, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and I make videos about DJing and tech. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing. So today we are checking out these amazing headphones from a company called OneOdio, and these ones are called Studio Pro 10 and they're also marketed as DJ headphones. So OneOdio sent me these headphones and asked me to check them out, and if I like them, I can make a video about them. And now that you're seeing this video, it's clear that I actually like them, and not just that, I'm also giving away 2 of these to 2 of my lucky subscribers. More on that later, but first let me just quickly unbox this and show you what you get in the box. Alright, here's how the box looks. They come in different colors, but this one is in black. The box is nothing fancy, but it has all the information that you may need about these headphones and what's inside. Now when you open these, inside you will get to see that there is a pouch in which the headphones are and 2 cables. Let's take the cable out and the headphones out of the box, and you also get this user manual. Let's check out the headphones first. Honestly, I'm quite happy to see that they have included a pouch in the box. It's nice and soft. No other company gives you one at this price point. So, thumbs up for that. Let's take them out of the pouch now. And these are the headphones. They look quite nice and they are very lightweight. That's the first thing that I noticed. And as you can see, the cups fold in and it becomes quite a nice compact package. And also the cups articulate quite well in almost all directions. I personally like the headband with this nice red line stitching, and it also has enough padding. The cups have this nice design that looks like a vinyl record, and they look quite nice when the light shines on them. And this chrome finish on the cups complements the overall look. In terms of build quality, I'm quite satisfied. Although they are made out of plastic mostly, but it has metal in the headband, making it more durable. Overall, I think these headphones are quite presentable. And since they're light, they're also very comfortable. The cushion on the headband and on the ear cups are quite soft, and they sit on your head and your ears quite nicely. Comfortable for sure. The headphones have 2 ports. One fits a regular 3.5mm headphone jack and the other fits a 1/4 inch jack. And I think that's a very clever design choice, and let me tell you why. Now here are the cables that come in the box. You get 2 of them. One is this red coiled cable that has a 3.5mm pin on one end and a 1/4 inch pin on the other. As mentioned earlier, the design is clever because you don't have to carry one of these converters all the time. You can easily turn the cable around based on the device that you're connecting it to. And since it's detachable, you can also just replace it in case you break it or lose it. You also get this other cable which has an included mic, so you can actually take phone calls as well with these headphones. I mean, I think OneOdio really thought this through with these headphones. Okay, all this is great, but how good do they sound? After using them for a month and also using them while DJing, I can surely say that they sound good for the price. The bass is quite nice, and I tried it with different genres of music and they all sound quite nice. The mids are decent and the highs are not very sharp, and the headphones get quite loud. And if you're a DJ, you'll have no complaints with the sound quality at this price point. They're also quite comfortable to use while DJing, and they work very well while mixing and monitoring with one ear. So if you're a DJ looking to buy your first pair of DJ headphones, you won't go wrong with these. Or if you're someone who's looking to buy a pair of budget headphones, these are going to be a good choice. Now talking about the price, these come around 2,200 rupees here in India, but the price slightly differs based on the color. So I really like these ones in black, but I also like these ones in grey. So the choice of color is yours. I've actually put a link down in the description box from where you can actually go ahead and buy these for yourself. You can choose the color and place the order. Click on that link and you'll have more information. But if you're not someone who's going to buy these headphones, you can actually win these. As mentioned at the beginning of my video, I'm giving away 2 of these headphones to 2 of my lucky subscribers. That's right. Now I'm going to tell you how you can win these. So watch and listen. It's simple. Just follow these 4 steps that I'm about to tell you. Step number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. This is the most important step. If you're not subscribed, you will not win. Step number 2, follow me and OneOdio on Instagram, because the winners will be announced there first. The links are down in the description box. Step number 3, like this picture on our Instagram profiles and tag 5 friends who you think will be interested in this giveaway. You can also just share this post with 5 of your friends who you think will be interested. You can also do both for better luck. Step number 4. This is not necessary, but please go ahead and comment in the comment section below and tell us why you should be the winner. It'll be nice to see your reasons. And that's it. Just follow these 4 simple steps and you will enter this giveaway. You know, I never win anything online, but that's why I'm going to change this. I'm making sure that 2 of you are going to win these. And there are many such giveaways that I'm going to try and give away in the future. So please don't forget to subscribe as well. Now, as I said, there'll be 2 winners and you can choose your color, your favorite color, and you can tell me and I will directly buy these from Amazon and ship them directly to your address. Yeah, as simple as that. The winners will be randomly chosen by a software and I will check with them if they're subscribed to my YouTube channel, and the winners will be announced in 1 week from now, that is on my birthday, the 1st of February 2022. So if you're interested, just follow the steps that I mentioned earlier and yes, 2 of you can be the winners. That's right, you can be the winner. I'd like to thank OneOdio for sending me these awesome headphones and also joining me on this giveaway and also letting me make an honest review about these headphones. Thank you so much, OneOdio. So there you have it. That was a quick unboxing and a review of the OneOdio Studio Pro 10. And also here's your chance to win 2 of these. So without wasting any more time, just head over to Instagram and do the needful. May the lucky one wins. All the best and happy to help.